As promised, it does go apart, but I have to tell you, I have arthritis in my joints everywhere, even though I'm only 33. So consequently, I don't have the, well, you can see what it does to my hands if I put force, shaking. So it does require a bit of strength to put it apart. So that's why I showed you it disassembled, so you do believe it goes apart. So just to assemble it again, this one goes into here. I think. So now you see how the system works. So what the person on the video did was he just pulled it, but now you can see why that's not really a good idea. That's why you have to turn it 45 degrees, because then it aligns with the opening. So the other methods some people do is brute forcing it. So that's not really good. So that's why you should always listen to the company advice. But now you see why it's important to turn it 45 degrees. But you can also tell how thick this rubber is, so that's why it's so difficult to pull it apart. And there you go, now it's fully assembled. Now the method is you grip it like this. Actually, I did it wrong. You have to, well, for me it's easier because I'm right-handed. So you grip it like this, you put your thumb here, you put your other thumb here, make sure it's closed, and you grip the brown part with your index finger, and then you pull. Now that was the first time it was coming apart, so now this is the second time, and you can already tell it's a lot easier. But this way, so that's the part. Now it's closed, so now you can push these in, and then you can pull this out. And then you can tend to the O-rings. You can clean the inside of this, and you can easily clean the 90 degree, because we all know with a 90 degree that the deposit situates itself right here in the bend, if you know anything about plumbing. So there's always some little debris that situates itself here. So that's, now it's all apart, and now you can clean it. So now we put it together again. Obviously this one first. So again, make sure you got the right side, not like this. So you have to, the brown side, and then you make sure you have you can view it like this. Sorry about that, but I have arthritis, so I'm doing my very best. Make sure it aligns well, and then you can I think I did something wrong. Not really sure what. So just, if it doesn't go in from the first time, just pull it out again and it will be fine. And then the last part, pushing the rubber over the and now it's all complete again. Then one last thing, I found it obvious but I didn't mention it. It rotates 360 degrees, so that might be a very handy thing to mention. So that's one of the things I forgot to tell you in my main video. So now you've seen it come apart as promised, and that's pretty much it. So again, I hope you've enjoyed this very short video showing you how it comes apart. And as I'll be using it and testing it, I'll be letting you know more about, is it true what they say on the box? Does it inhibit bacterial growth? Does it do what they advertise? Because advertisement is always very fun. But that will be for another video. So take care, have a good day, and I hope to see you again. Please let me know what you think, of course. Bye.